Now here's how you can create a link to FaceTime on your iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe to Foxtecc right now because you then will not miss any future videos. So if you have your FaceTime ready on your iPad, open up the FaceTime application like this, and you can see a bunch of different things are gonna appear right here, right? So you have the stuff going on and whatever. And in order to start a new link or create a link for FaceTime, click on the new button, which is like the green button with a camera which says new, and you can go ahead and tap on the link in the bottom left corner, and you essentially end up with a FaceTime link. You can add a name to it, like you can name the link if you want, and this is then shareable as a regular link for other people to be connected, right? Because obviously, usually people just start their new FaceTime and just type in the person that they want to talk to. But in order to create the link, this is the exact process that you have to undergo in order to end up with a link, which you can then paste or share anywhere else. So generally speaking, it's simple, right? That's how you can do this. If your FaceTime looks a bit different, it's probably because you have an older version of the iPad OS. So update to the iPad OS 26 and you'll get it to look exactly like here. So that's everything I wanted to show you and share in this video. If it worked for you, go ahead and subscribe below and hit the thumbs up to let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.